Yai channel. An expat sipping Yadong. Chilling with the local ties, getting our style on. I interview expat and locals with the dope vibes. If you're digging the vids, then click subscribe. Yeah, this the Fraser Hot Yai channel.
Hey guys, so it's been a few days in Bangkok. I haven't filmed anything because I've been fucking working. I've been busy. Been meeting people, doing business, and it's not always appropriate to fucking whack out your camera on a selfie stick in everyday life when you're trying to get shit done. So I've had a pretty tight schedule. Hoping this weekend I'm gonna do a couple things, so we'll see how that goes. Anyway, one of the great things about Bangkok, one of the things I miss living kind of out in the sticks a little bit is the fact that you can just order anything you want on your phone on like Grab. Any food that you want, any cuisine at any time, it's available, which is pretty cool. I'd get really fat if I lived in Bangkok. But anyway, ordered some food. I'll show you what I've got. I even managed to order a beer from Grab Taxi. They picked up my beer from 7-Eleven and brought it here. So I got my beer, Chang. Not always a Chang man, but Chang tonight. I also ordered some Vietnamese food. You'd be surprised to know Thailand and Vietnam are very close together, but it's hard to find good Vietnamese food here in Thailand. But I've ordered some pho. This is pho gat, or Vietnamese chicken noodle soup, and also some Vietnamese style spring rolls. Check that out. So this is cheap. And then also some Thai food on the side. A kind of a tam, or a mix, a salad, a Thai salad. A bit like a som tam, but with corn instead, and salted eggs, salted preserved eggs, and fish sauce and all that other stuff. I ordered a fried egg as well, and they sent it to me in this plastic bag. So egg served in bag egg. Some fried pork. So some of this stuff I'm going to eat tonight, some of it I'll eat later on, and that's it. And then there's a little packet of pickled carrot, shredded carrot. I think that's what that is. And then mix of things in here. We got a lime, some tomato ketchup, a couple sticks of green long bean, or whatever you call these. So yeah. Let's check out the pho first. So when you order in Thailand, takeaway and stuff, everything is in plastic bags. Sorry, environment. So let's put the noodles always come separate from the soup, which is how they do it. Let's put the noodles in first. And then you fucking hate undoing these rubber bands, because then we've got like a little trick. Alright, so in here is the noodles, the chicken, the onions, and the other bits of stuff. Yeah. And here is the broth. The best thing about Vietnamese noodle soup. My Thai wife, doesn't really like it. She thinks it's kind of flavorless compared to the Thai noodle soups, which have a lot more spice, I think, than the Vietnamese. Is real focused on just like a really slow cooked, broth made from pork bones that have been cooking for a long time, with different sets of herbs and ginger and I don't know, onions. They caramelize onions and stuff. Anyway, the broth is really good. I like it. Let's hope this one's good. So how much longer am I going to be in Bangkok? I'm going to be here probably until next Wednesday. I'll probably fly back on Thursday or Friday. One of my wife's good friends is having a wedding on Friday. On my uncle's land, which is opposite our house. So I don't really want to miss that. Weddings are usually good fun in Thailand. We'll get back for that. Alright, let's pour in this soup or broth. Oh, my bowl's too small. Let's put the rest in here. The difficulties of eating out of a hotel room. I bought these paper plates from 7-Eleven, 20 baht for 2 bowls, 2 plates, 2 cups, a knife and a fork. Paper, so it's good for the environment, although it's probably coated in plastic or something. Whatever. There we go. Take a look at this. This is the Vietnamese pho and extra soup. Let's serve up the som tam, or the cow pod tam, I guess. Cow pod is what's the name? Fucking corn. But a busy day today. I deserve the Chang beer. Got a lot done today. Fuck. Alright, so I'm gonna put this on the plate. This is the corn tam. Look at that. Some good shit. You got salted egg on there. You got corn, shredded carrot, tomatoes. Yeah. And we got the foot over here. What else we got? Probably over ordered. I always over order. Especially I'm here on my own. I always order too much shit. Got the fried egg. Pork crackling. Or crispy pork skin. There's the spring rolls. Fucking whatever. Alright, let's try the what's it thing. Let's try the pho. I'm not gonna make it as a food reviewer, am I? Alright. Let's try the broth first. Like I said, it's hard to get good Vietnamese food in Thailand. It doesn't really taste like the broths that you get in Saigon or whatever. It tastes more like a Thai broth. I don't know what they do. I watched a video, I can't remember. They like, when they're boiling the bones, they put like caramelized onions and other stuff in it. Different herbs. But yeah, this hasn't got the kind of flavor that you get in Vietnam. But it's alright. At least the chicken's lean. Big piece of chicken there. I think this is the sauce for the spring rolls. So let's do that one next. Cup. And net. Fucking hell. Well, you're too lazy to undo the rubber band. Bite the corner of the bag. It's the way to do it. So it's like a really sweet, sugary sauce. A little bit sour with bits of carrot. I don't know. Spring roll sauce. Comes with some chopsticks. Let's try these. Let's try one of these spring rolls. And then I can end this video and get on with enjoying my food. All right, there we go. Take a look. Spring roll. It's chicken, I believe. I ordered pork and then they called me, said, oh, mu mod. The pork had run out, so chicken. Put it in the cup sauce. That's good. That tastes like what I had in Saigon. And then I'll try a little bit of the som tam to finish. It's not som tam, it's a kind of tam. Cowpot tam. Is that what you call it? Cowpot tam? Or tam cowpot? Salted preserved egg. Gotta love these. And then you gotta wash that all down with some pork crackling. Alright guys, sorry. So yeah, sorry, I'm in Bangkok and all I film for you is inside my hotel room eating shit at 11:30 p.m. at night. Like I said, I've got a plan to do a couple things in Bangkok that I've been wanting to do for a while. I think they'll be interesting for you as well, so do check out the future videos. And until then, I don't know, how should I end this video? Until then, a peace. Who's the guy who says a peace? The best ever food review show. That's a good channel, check that out. He started in Vietnam, making food videos. He's got more of an interesting personality than me. He's a funny guy. Check him out. I'm gonna enjoy this food now. See you next time.
Oh my god.
มาจากไหน